Today I'll show you how to use an ELRS receiver to telemeter battery voltage and remaining capacity. Turn on the transmitter. Tap the model button. This model on the screen is the one I use to control the bionic butterfly. Tap the button to scroll to the next page. Locate the telemetry page. Scroll down the wheel to find the Discover New option. This is the option shown on the screen. Power on the flight controller. The flight controller is powered up now. One prerequisite is that the ELRS receiver has already been bound to the transmitter. Then click the scroll wheel to read data. Now we can see 14 items of data have been detected. Now I want to display the telemetered voltage and battery level on the transmitter screen. Click the scroll wheel to select Stop. Press Next Page to open the display menu. Set up voltage telemetry here. OXT stands for Flight Pack Battery Voltage. Click the scroll wheel to confirm. Set the next item for battery level display. This is the identifier for battery capacity. Click the scroll wheel to confirm. Press the back key to return to the home screen. Then press the Tele button. Now we can view the flight controller's battery voltage and remaining charge on the screen. Now replace the battery to verify the accuracy of telemetry readings. Proceed to replace the battery next. Data is still being read currently. Now the voltage and battery level of the new battery have been read successfully.